For decades, Volvo produced cars that were just as plain and boxy as they were safe with a capital S. Modern Volvo continues to delight us with models that are even safer, but with a design that's much more elegant and expressive. That includes the spunky entry-level XC40 SUV, which blends excellent protection with an upscale ambience and a youthful character. The cabin offers drivers a higher seating position than what's found in rivals such as the BMW X1 and the Mercedes-Benz GLA class. Even the least expensive variant features an inviting and nicely trimmed interior, and the upper trims look thoroughly premium. Every XC40 is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with all-wheel drive that scoots along nicely, and Volvo hasn't skimped on standard safety and assistance tech. All 2024 XC40s are powered by the same engine, a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder making 247 horsepower and aided by a 48-volt hybrid system. Power goes to all 4 wheels through a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. At our test track, the XC40 hit 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. That time is nothing to complain about in a compact crossover. The exhaust note, on the other hand, is raspy and coarse under heavy throttle. The XC40's towing capacity, a rarity among subcompact luxury crossovers, remains a stout 3,500 pounds. The XC40's EPA fuel economy ratings are a class-competitive 23 mpg city and 30 mpg highway. But on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, the little SUV delivered only 27 mpg. That's not a great result, given that it's up against the more efficient Mercedes-Benz GLB 250, which delivered 32 mpg in our T. Contemporary Swedish styling meets fun and functional design inside the XC40. The cabin's light and airy atmosphere imparts a truly upscale vibe even in the base core trim. Passenger space is commodious in both the front and rear seats.